Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the tools and the jar open. This saves time and prevents mess. Heat gently, 10 to 15 seconds in a microwave or a 50 degrees seawater bath to loosen the paste so it spreads cleanly. Once warm, scoop 1 to 2 tablespoons onto your knife or spoon and apply with light pressure. This preserves texture and prevents tearing the bread. Make sure to keep a small bowl nearby for excess or mixing because you will use that shortly. You now transform Nutella into a component. For glazes, mix 0.5 to 1 tablespoon with 1 tablespoon milk or cream until smooth. This thins it without losing flavor. Once done, when adding to batters, replace 1/4 of sugar with about 1/3 cup Nutella to keep moisture and a chocolate hazelnut profile. Make sure to temper by combining with warm, not hot, liquids to prevent oil separation. Stir briskly, and you finish by applying the Nutella as a spread, drizzle, or filling. For a set surface, chill 10 to 20 minutes. Once plated, store the open jar sealed in the pantry away from direct heat to preserve flavor and texture. If you notice oil separation or a grainy texture, rewarm gently under 60 degrees C and whisk until smooth. This restores emulsion. If that fails, add a small splash of warm liquid and whisk again. This quick fix usually rescues the texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.